Hey guys, are you want to buy best motorcycle handlebar grips for comfort? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best motorcycle handlebar grips for comfort that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Pocrrmcb Motocross Handle Grips. These universal silicone handle grips are designed for motorcycles, motocross bikes, dirt bikes, electric bikes, folding bikes, mountain/road motorcycles, tricycles, scooters, and even kids' lowrider motorcycles, making them highly versatile. With standard inner diameters of 0.87 inch, 22 mm, and 24 mm, they ensure a snug fit on most handlebars while providing excellent control and stability. Crafted from high-quality silicone, these grips are soft, durable, and non-slip, offering maximum comfort during long rides, racing, or daily commuting. Their ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue and ensures a secure grip, even in wet or sweaty conditions. The grips are available in multiple colors, allowing riders to customize the look of their bikes and match their personal style. Installation is simple and quick. Just use a bit of soapy water, detergent, or car wax as a lubricant to slide them onto the handlebars effortlessly. Backed by a reliable warranty and responsive customer service, these grips are a practical, stylish, and long-lasting upgrade for any motorcycle enthusiast. Now our second product is Nibbi Motorcycle Hand Grips. These universal motorcycle handle grips are engineered to fit all standard 7/8 inch handlebars, with the left side at 7/8 inch OD and the right side at 1 inch OD to accommodate twist gas throttles. Designed with a non-slip pattern and soft rubber material, they provide a secure and comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during long rides and improving overall control and safety. The soft rubber construction absorbs vibrations effectively, making the riding experience smoother and more enjoyable on both city roads and off-road trails. Installation is straightforward, but for rough handle surfaces, adding a small amount of lubricant or water can help slide the grips on effortlessly, ensuring a tight and secure fit. These grips are not only practical but also enhance the overall feel and performance of the motorcycle. Backed by responsive customer support, any questions or issues are quickly addressed, giving riders confidence in both quality and service. A reliable upgrade for comfort, safety, and durability. Our third product is Benlari 1-inch handlebar grips. These handlebar grips are specifically designed for Harley Davidson models, including Touring 2000 to 2007, Sportster 883/1200/48, 1996 to 2021, Softail 1996 to 2021, and Dyna 1996 to 2021, with 1-inch handlebars. They are compatible with cable throttle setups but not with electronic throttles or 1/4 handlebars, so verifying your bike's specifications before purchase is essential. Constructed from high-intensity CNC aluminum, these grips are robust, corrosion-resistant, and resistant to deformation or loosening, ensuring long-term durability and safety during extended rides. The ergonomic design features anti-slip rubber, providing a secure and comfortable grip even in wet conditions, reducing hand fatigue and enhancing control. Installation is effortless with a plug-and-play design, allowing quick attachment and removal while complementing the motorcycle's stylish, personalized appearance. These grips not only enhance safety and riding comfort but also add a sleek, premium look to the bike. Ideal for long-distance rides, they deliver both functional reliability and aesthetic appeal, making them a must-have upgrade for Harley enthusiasts. Now number 4, StarknightMT Motorcycle Handlebar Grips. These rubber handlebar grips are designed for motorcycles with a 7/8, 22 mm, left handlebar and a 24 mm, right handlebar, offering precise fitment for a wide range of bikes. Crafted from high-quality rubber, they are durable, corrosion-resistant, fade-proof, and capable of withstanding low temperatures, ensuring long-lasting performance and vibrant color over time. The non-slip rubber surface enhances grip and comfort, reducing hand fatigue during long rides and providing better control for a safer riding experience. The soft, ergonomic material ensures a comfortable feel, making even extended journeys more enjoyable. Featuring a thick and vintage design, These handlebars bring a touch of classic style and elegance, elevating the motorcycle's overall appearance while maintaining functional practicality. Installation is straightforward. Simply remove your old grips and slide the new ones on, securing them in place effortlessly. Overall, these grips offer a perfect combination of durability, comfort, and stylish design, making them an excellent upgrade for riders seeking performance and aesthetic appeal. And our last choice is Oxmart Motorcycle Handle Grips. These motorcycle hand grips offer a perfect blend of safety, comfort, and style for bikes with a 1-inch, 26mm, handlebar. The surface features strategically placed glue points that increase friction, providing an anti-slip grip and enhancing overall riding safety. This design also effectively dampens vibrations, reducing hand fatigue during long rides. Constructed from high-quality aluminum with a rubber lining, the grips are durable, corrosion-resistant, and waterproof, making them suitable for a variety of environments, including rainy, snowy, or foggy conditions. The right side grip is designed for cable throttle control, with a built-in throttle assist that ensures smooth and effortless rotation. Installation is straightforward, as these grips directly replace old ones without requiring modifications, and they are easy to clean and maintain. Finished in a stylish chrome and black design, they add a sleek, modern touch to any motorcycle. This pair of hand grips is a practical, durable, and visually appealing upgrade for riders seeking both comfort and enhanced control. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.